We gonna make it. 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 Oh, these damn glasses. That damn glare. It's a lot better now, but I can't see. Hey, what's up, people? It's your boy, Mr. Trader Guy here on this lovely Monday night. Excuse me. All right, what we talking about now? We talking about crypto, people. That's what we talking about. This crypto bull run that's about to come. But this bull run, it was supposed to come earlier this year, around like March, actually. May, when the Bitcoin happened. But this COVID-19 kind of messed up the economy and messed up the market. But people, guess what? Crypto has bounced right back. We're actually doing better than what we were. Well, the market kind of tumbled over the weekend, but we had reached 12,000, which was the high point for the year for Bitcoin. And as we know, where Bitcoin go, the altcoins follow. Now, so what we talking about now? The coin XRP. See, XRP was fighting a lawsuit. They was found not guilty. They said they was using the coin fraudulently to raise money, but that was holding the price down. Now the lawsuit was dropped yesterday, or was it Friday? I forget, but the lawsuit was dropped, and in turn, the price went from 19 cents up to like 32 cents. It retraced back, but XRP is moving, people. So a lot of people is asking me, why can't they find XRP on Robinhood or Ameritrade or Stash or Acorn or any other websites? And I'm telling you, it's because it's because XRP is not a stock. It is a crypto coin. So therefore, you cannot find it on any of those sites. The Stash, the Acorns, any of those sites. You can only find XRP on a crypto exchange. So something like Coinbase. That's why I would prefer people go to Coinbase, because it's the most pure. Also, speaking of Coinbase, people, they pay you money to watch videos. Like, I don't understand why people will not go to Coinbase and watch those free videos to get those free crypto coins, which you can then convert into XRP. Then you guys should hurry up, because the coin selection is getting smaller. I was on there today. It's only like 4 coins now. Like 6 months ago, they had about 12 free coins. Now it's down to XLM, KNC, COMP, and I think Orchid. That's it. There's only 4 coins left. But people, if you watch these videos, and the videos are like a minute and 15 seconds, maybe 2 minutes. So when you say videos, people think it's a long video. No, man, it's like a 2-minute video. You just answer one question. The question be like, why is there a coin? And I mean, the answer is in the question. That's how easy it is. Like, it's not that hard of a question. So you should probably go to Coin. That's why I say Coinbase, because they will pay you money to watch videos. Like, I cannot emphasize that enough. Then you take those free coins you get, and you convert those coins into XRP or whatever coin you choose. But I would say XRP, because now it's a good time to be in XRP. Now, you got to understand how the financial markets run. All right, so we just had a big push from XRP from 19 up to 32 cents. Most likely, it's gonna pull back. That's not bad. That's just how financials work. Stocks, forex, crypto, they all move like that. So if you watch the line, like the line on the chart, it's gonna go up. It's gonna come back. That's called a retracement. No, once it retraces back, that's called buying on the dip. You want to buy that dip, because the next time it goes up, it's going to go to about 53 cents, about 54 cents, because that's the next line of resistance. See, 30 is remember, I always talk about support and resistance, people. So on XRP, 32, 33 cents, that's a strong line of resistance. So the price is going to stop. It's not going to, it's going to stop. And what it is, it's going to consolidate. So it's going to retrace back. I'm sorry, it's going to retrace down about 26, 27. It's going to consolidate. Then that's when it's going to take its move. So right now it's at 32, 33, or like 31. When it comes down to 27, 26, it's called buying on the dip. That's when I'm going to buy some more. I'm going to buy on the dip. Once it's on that dip, that's when the whale's going to go to 50. See, XRP, like I tell people all the time with these crypto coins, you want to get a coin that has a utility, which means a real life usage. It can be used in real life. So with this crypto market, all right, so when Bitcoin. See, Bitcoin is kind of a experiment. People just made a coin to see can they make a payment where you could pay online, some type of digital money. So Bitcoin was like a science experiment, like, oh shit, this actually works. Okay, so now we figure out it work. Let's make it good for stuff. So every coin made after Bitcoin was made with a usage in mind. So therefore, it's only a matter of time before people realize these usages. Like I say, this crypto market is still new, man. We're like the car back in 1910 or the railroad in the 1880s when they was like, who's gonna ride a railroad across the country? I ride a horse in a stagecoach. That's where we at with this crypto. So many people know I'm bitching and complaining about digital payments or online payments, not knowing that they pretty much do that now when they make credit card transactions over the internet, or you do a debit card transaction over the internet. You're basically doing a digital transaction. You know, see, people just like to bitch and complain because we're pretty much using um, digital money now. Even though that it's our debit credit cards, but it's really digital money. It's not paper. So whenever you go swipe, you're not handing them paper. You're swiping, which is the same thing would do, people, if you had a digital asset. If you had a crypto card attached to your crypto wallet, it would be the same basic thing. You're swiping, you're sending a payment, you're not using paper. See, people just want to complain because they think you're gonna upset the status quo. And when the status quo is upset, people normally bitch and complain. And also, I hate to say it like this, but you got the older generation, like my father and my mother and my grandmother and my grandfather, who has no concept of digital money. This is something they're like, what the hell is this? Digital money, Bitcoin? They have no concept of what this is. So that's why there's such a pushback. But the best thing about this is that China created the first digital. Well, see, it's not the dollar, it's the yuan, but the yuan is China's dollar. So we're going to say the dollar for this. It's not the dollar, though, it's the yuan. But China created the first country in the national digital currency. See, being that China did it, and now America and China were like competitors, the digital dollar is coming. It's only a matter of time before America makes the digital dollar. Now, I keep beating on people's head because you people want to get this ground level of investing. See, once the country makes the currency digital, that kind of makes it legitimate now. That kind of gives it uh that yeah, that's it's stamped now. It's now certified. See, once America makes the digital currency, it's going to be a matter of time before crypto shoots off because it's shooting up now. But once this country does it, because XRP it facilitates transaction between banks, and that's what this is all leading to. Like people who don't follow finances is not really watching and realizing how this is heading to. Like I said before, the coin XRP, it has a real life utility usage. Its usage is it facilitates money payments between banks and it facilitates money payments and it's way faster. So once we move to the online currencies, the digital dollar, the digital pound, the digital yen, the digital yuan, the digital euro. All right, so for my bank to send a digital transaction to a bank in Japan, the digital wise, XRP is made for. It was like it was made for this exact use. So, like I say, people are still new to this digital money. They don't realize what is the usage for. But as they realize it, they're gonna say, "Well, damn, we already got a coin here that does this," and that's when the price is gonna shoot up. As I put in a couple groups that admin in and the groups that I'm in, they're calling XRP the most important investment opportunity of the last 15, 20 years because it's only what 32 cents now, and it got a lot of potential. Price point of XRP, they really can't price it because there's so many usages for it. Some say it's gonna be $589 a coin. Some say it's gonna be $58 a coin. Some say it's $25 a coin. Either or, that doesn't matter. The point is, man, it's 32 cents a coin now. So even if it goes up to $1 a coin, that's to triple your money's worth in 32 cents. So it's like, yeah, and like I say, Coinbase, you can watch free videos. They give you the coins, and in turn you convert those coins to XRP. Or if you want to keep the coins in the currency that it is, you can keep it there too. But I just put it all XRP. Now I'm a big believer in diversification. I'm all about diversification. That being said, in the crypto market, it's not. it's not good to diversify in that market because a lot of them coins are shit coins. You know, so you should only invest in about 5 or 6 coins actually. XRP, I hate to say it, but Bitcoin, just for the fact that Bitcoin is the first and it's the most well known. So Bitcoin is always going to be a good investment. But the fact is, Bitcoin is like $10,000 a coin. Who has that money to invest? You can play it 2 ways. Or you can put $100 in Coinbase and Bitcoin, and when Bitcoin goes up, your $100 going to increase. You can do it like that. But as I always say, well, I'm sorry, not as I always say, as the saying goes in crypto, where Bitcoin goes, the altcoins follow. So Bitcoin's going up. Get out of Bitcoin. It's too much. Drop down to the smaller coins. That's where you make your money's at. That's that's where you go to coinmarketcap.coin.com and it lists all of the top I think 100 coins by capitalization. Now we all know how to find the total cap of a security. We learn this from my stock training. You take the price of the security times the total. Well, for instance, for stocks, it would be you take the last closing price of that stock. Say if it was $1 and the total amount of shares, 5 million. So the total market cap will be 5 million times $1, 5 million shares. That's how you find a market cap. So if a coin has crypto has so many coins. That's the thing about this market too, man. The liquidity. It's kind of too much. That's what keeps the price like XRP. That's why the price is so low because it's like billions of coins. If they would burn some of those B's down to like an M, supply and demand. That's why Bitcoin is so much because there's only like 19 million Bitcoins, if even that much. That's why all about supply and demand. That's a big thing about financial instruments, people, markets in general, stocks, bonds, whatever. The price you're willing to pay, the supply and demand. So things like that. So yeah, but I was going back to the useless coins, or coins that has a usage. XRP is the top of that list. Another coin you want to think about is VeChain. That is VeChain. See, but VeChain is on Binance. All right, so those are the two exchanges that I only use. Binance, which is spelled like finance, but it B instead of the F. So that's Binance.us. That's where Coinbase only has about what 6, 7 coins, I think, if even not, well, 5, I think. But it's really secure. It's like a bank. I use that as a bank to send to my other exchanges. See, Binance is an exchange. It's a wallet / exchange. You can hold your coins on the site, or you can also actively day trade those. So, like I say though, VeChain is how you can track import exports from countries. Like China is using VeChain now to track all their food imports. That's how they're going to fight the COVID-19, and that's going forward. They're going to fight all diseases like that. So they're going to keep track of the blockchain of everything that's imported in the country. So again, VeChain is a good use. It has real life usage. It's being used right now. Speaking of a come up, VeChain's only a penny and a half. So this like 2 months ago, it was a quarter of a penny. It was a penny and a half. Okay, it's a come up. It's 0.016 penny and a half. This is just $100 to get you like it gets you a lot of them. So I think that it's a lot of coins out there, a lot of things that people don't know about. Diversification. People open up your eyes, spread your investments out. There's so many ways to make money, and now this crypto is going back to how it was in 2017. At that time, the Bitcoin bull run was the biggest bull run in world history at that specific time, which is really weird when you think that Bitcoin was a new financial instrument. I mean, at that time, it was what, 7 years old. It was exactly 7 years old, and it was the biggest upswing in world history, like $20 trillion at the end of when it's all said and done, which is crazy when you think about it. That was all in a niche way. That wasn't the mainstream finance. That was a niche, like the outskirts of the finance. That wasn't mainstream. 4 years later, or 3 years later, crypto is getting more mainstream, as you see now. I'm telling people, you guys need to watch. JP Morgan is all signing up for crypto now. See, just back then when the Bitcoin bull run was going on, banks wasn't accepting crypto. Like you wasn't allowed to go to a crypto site from certain banks. They was like, you wanted no parts of that. You couldn't pay no more with crypto. It was pretty much only people that accept payments for Bitcoin was the dark web. Like that's why now and terrorists. That's why now it's such a big thing with the governments around the world with the crypto because they're still trying to figure out a way to get it more regulated. But the point I'm making is that you see banks are now taking crypto. Governments are now getting digital currencies. Like I say, J.P. Morgan was the biggest hater of crypto. They just was against it. They just nah. Now all of a sudden now they got a what, $500 million thing to do blockchain. That should tell you if anything. When your biggest haters now become your fans, that lets you know that times are changing. When J.P. Morgan start harping on crypto, Chase, Warren Buffett, even Warren Buffett was giving the big ups to crypto. Just a while back, they were saying it's not a good investment. You should waste your time, this and that. Now everybody wants to get into it because they're starting to see the value of crypto. They're starting to see the usages that it has, and not necessarily crypto, but the blockchain itself. So again, people, once the big banks, the big investors, the big spenders get into it, that's when us, the small guys, mom and pop stores, the mom and pop investors, that's when we need to get into it. Because like every other thing happens, man, the price get too high when people want to get into it. But when the price is low and it's affordable, nobody wants to get into it, which is really weird. Now is the time to get into it. So again, people, you want to check out your XRP. You can look up Stellar Lumens too, XLM. They have a deal with not ibuprofen, IBM. Now, this deal's been in the works for a while now, and nothing's been going around. Nothing's been coming out of it. But the price of Lumens went up. Shit, it was at 1 cent. That was at 10 cent. That was a 10-time increase in about 3 months. So again, you got ADA, Cardano, ADA, and that's a coin that's dealing with. You can actually, they actually have that in certain countries in Latin America where you can go to grocery stores. You can go to stores and all and pay with crypto. In countries like Latin, was it Venezuela, where the inflations are out of the world, where the currency is completely useless, they pay with crypto. Crypto's really big there. China, where they're the COVID-19, where you all know that cash is the dirtiest thing in the world, money, because it goes through hands, goes through like a million people's hands in a day. The dollars in my wallet, a million people didn't touch. So China's becoming a completely cashless society. In all the major cities, all the big cities, they're rolling cash is about to be gone. And once like it's gonna go from China to Japan to America, it's just gonna happen. And so it's better to be at the ground floor of this and trying to get in at the top floor and complaining. Like I say, it's 32 cents a coin, people. 32 cents. That's not even a half a dollar. It's not even 50 cents. That's a third of a dollar. So I think that people want to start looking at this crypto. So don't just go invest in it. Do your research. Um, check and see what do you think. But my thing is, once you see all these other different people investing, not just mom and pops, me and you, but big banks, big establishments, big brokerages, big known investors like Warren Buffett. Once they start touting crypto, man, like I told you guys before, news and rumors influences the price of securities, of financials, of stocks, forex, coins, anything. Being spoke about in the news make the price go up and down. If you notice in the news, they're talking about crypto more and more and more. Every other day that you hear about is used for this, a new coin for that. Somebody is investing in this blockchain. People, want you to know now is the time to invest. Now is the time. You go to coin, like I say, Coinbase, put $10. You like. I think a lot of people think it needs lots of money to invest. You really don't. You got to start somewhere, or you go like VeChain. Like I say, VeChain is a penny and a half. Right, $1 gets you 100. Well, all right, it was a penny and a half, so it's like $1.50. You say like $1.50 get you 100 and a half. I mean, $1.50 would get you 100. So look at it like that, man. Like, well, I mean, you got to put at least 10, I think, or $20. But the point I'm making is that it's you can start with small amounts of money. You don't need big amounts to get into this. I think that's what stops a lot of people thinking they need large amounts. No, you can start with small amounts. You just get, just your payouts will be smaller. But shit, a small payout's better than no payout. Look at it like that. So yeah, you want to get into this crypto though, man. 'Cause this crypto market. Oh, back to the point I was making about the bull run. They're sizing up that this next crypto bull run is going to be twice the size of the one he had 2017. And let's think about that for a minute. Up until that point, that was the biggest one in world history. They already complained and they're already contemplating, thinking that this is going to be twice the size of that one. That's a lot of movement, people. A lot of movement, man. Twice the size of the biggest bull run in world history. Damn. So yeah, yo. So smart money would say that you guys might want to just get on that. Bitcoin. Well, yeah. Trust nothing. Bitcoin. Yeah. 40K, yeah, yeah, shit. No, they talking about 100K target for Bitcoin, my friend. See, I'm talking more or less XRP. See, Bitcoin. I mean, I hope it do go to 40,000 because as I tell you all the time, where Bitcoins go, the altcoins follow. So when Bitcoin goes up, everything else is going to go up. So I hope it do, but they talking about 100,000 in Bitcoin. So you know, like I say, especially with this cashless society, I'm sorry, with this paper cashless. Cash is never going nowhere. Currency's not going nowhere, but the paper form, that hand in hand. If you notice, everything's going contactless, and that's what this COVID was about. Man, people think it was a 5G. If you notice, you ain't shit about 5G no more. It was never about 5G. It was never about 5G, man. Is if you notice, the one thing that came from COVID that no one is really paying attention to, but is going to change everyone's life around, cashless society, contactless. Yeah, you missed the Kodak jump. You know any more jumps like that coming up? But brother, you must be new to my podcast. That's all I do is predict the jumps. It's called the gap and goes. You gotta predict the gaps. When it's like I told you before, anyone watching, news influences the price earning, so trust nothing. It's for anyone out there too, but do this too because you're asking a question. Whenever you see that a stock is gonna release his earnings on that day, so what's the day? Wednesday. Let's just say, for example, Samsung is gonna release their earnings tomorrow. The stock's gonna gap up, especially if they're gonna have positive earnings. That's shit. The price goes up no matter what. When it's positive earnings, the price goes up. And the thing with Kodak is, which is my next step, I've been saying this on all my podcasts, they signed a deal for COVID-19 vaccination and treatment. Anything that deals with COVID-19, my friend, it's going to go up. Anything. Anything like Novavax. I've been on Novavax and it was $40. Now it's like $140 because they got that $500 million grant. Modern era from 63 to 86. So trust nothing. That's what you want to look for. You got to look for all those COVID-19 plays. I tell people all the time. I don't have a TV because I don't watch nothing. I have like 4 computers. I keep them on CN or on the money and CNBC where it talks about investments and financial news. That's how you predict what's going to jump up. There's no crystal ball to say what stock going to go up. No, it's the news of the stock. If you see the night that Samsung just signed like TikTok is about to be bought by Microsoft. That's a play right there. You might want to watch that. Mergers, acquisitions. Those are things that move the prices of stock. So we know that TikTok is about to be bought by Microsoft. You might want to watch the stocks of both of those companies. They say TikTok is owned by a Chinese company, but TikTok is very popular. So if it becomes American, I would like to venture that the stock price would shoot up in value because now it's an American company. And a lot of people don't want to venture with TikTok because it's American China thing going on. They think TikTok is using our images and data and giving it to the Chinese. But once it become American, the price is definitely going to do something. So you might want to watch that. Yeah, but back to what I was saying about the crypto. Yeah, people. So you want to look at XRP and VChain, XLM. Now those are some cheaper coins. Oh, did it? The DeFi apps, DEFI apps. Those apps, that's a new matter of fact. They're up over Bitcoin throughout the year. Now those coins, there's so many of them. So we can Google that right now. Matter of fact. We can do this. Do the little screen search. Give me a minute, people. Let me give them a little screen search up. All right, where we at? StreamYards. Go to the little screen search real quick. All right, screen search. All right, Google. Google University, baby. Google University. All right, so we're gonna go to DEFI crypto. No, Bitcoin is at 11.4. DeFi is at 4 billion. So, okay, you want to get on these DeFi coins now? I really can't explain them because they're based off Ethereum. All right, it's Ethereum. All right, now it deals with contracts, man. It's really all you need to know is making money, man. That's all you need to know. So you need to get on say, where can I buy DeFi crypto? And look, DeFi could become the next big thing in finance. It's not. It is. It's already here. Now, if you notice, all these coins are very expensive. Like this coins on Coinbase is like $500, but they're giving out $10 of free compound on Coinbase. And the first question is, what is compound used for? Compound interest. It's the whole interest on your crypto. And I didn't watch the video. I just kind of figured that out. That's what you call context clues. But anyway, yeah, that's the very first question on Coin when you watch that video. But yeah, these are all DeFi coins. And these coins, like I say, some of them are cheap, but I know that's expensive. Maker is expensive. Go to that, the top 10. Now, this is all different ways. A Maker is very expensive. Yeah, market dominance of 60%. Now, all these are coins you can go find. These aren't none of these are on well, Compound just came on Coinbase, but these are on Bittrex. They're on Bittrex and Binance. So you gotta look for them. And the thing with those coins, I didn't want to throw people off. I want to just give you a whole new thing of the finance of the crypto. Yeah. Trust nothing. DEFI. DEFI. DeFi apps. It's like 20 coins, good brother. They're all based off of the Ethereum. Like I don't want to just confuse you, but they're just not Bitcoin. They're like Bitcoin's competitors. Like I told you before, when they made Bitcoin was made as a science experiment. Oh shit, it's a coin, and we can use it online. Wow, okay, that's cool. Now let's make a coin that got a use. Since we know what and that's what every coin made after Bitcoin. I keep stressing it was made with a usage in mind. All right, it was created to fix this problem or this problem or this problem. Whereas Bitcoin was just let's see, can we make some shit online? Oh my god, it worked. It's a lie. So that's why people don't really understand crypto, but Bitcoin is like the worst coin. It's so slow. You ever try to send some money in Bitcoin? It takes like 900 years. Send somebody money XRP, man. It takes like all together like 5 seconds, bro. Nah, man, let's say a minute. Let's say a minute for the network transactions, but like all these like this DeFi apps, smart contracts, and that's a little bit above my pay grade. But I know for the fact that it's the computer handshake, the network confirmations is so much faster than Bitcoin. Again, as a matter of fact, these that, I'm not even pronouncing it right. I don't think DFI, DeFi, whatever is up over Bitcoin throughout the year, which is Bitcoin's the highest it's been this whole year. 12,000. Well, it was Saturday before it tumbled back, and those the DeFi apps is what twice as much. So again, this crypto is just is it's like it's forming, so it's consolidating, so it can skyrocket up. Now, what's the time to get in? Between now and the next couple months is very important in crypto. It's very important. Now, I just told you guys, it's gonna be a pullback. But the pullback, see, that's a natural part of finance. People don't understand. If you watch any stock chart, it's never a straight line up. It's a line up, a little slight comeback, a line up, slight comeback, line up, slight comeback, and line up. It's a wave. It's called the Elliott wave. But I don't want to really throw you off. But Elliott wave is an indicator. If you notice, it's an back, up, back. So we had the first up. The back's gonna come. And it's not gonna be major, but this just happens. That's when you see people say you buy on the dip because you buy on the dip for two reasons. You buy on the dip because you know it's gonna go back up, but you buy the dip because you caught it lower at a lower price and it shot back up. So when it dips back, that dip is coming, and I'm getting it right now. It's at 32. I'm getting in like 26. I hope it's going like 24. I get it at 24, but if not 26. Then from 26, he says I'm going about 52 cents. And this XRP I'm talking about. That's the coin that I'm most focused on, XRP. And there's plenty of coins like either XLM, and from 1 cent to 10 cents. And the thing with these crypto coins, man, like shit, you could have put $10,000 on that. You would have made $100,000 in about 2 3 weeks on just nothing. So that's the thing with those coins. That's why people invest in crypto for the profit potential. Well, that's why I invest into it. I would love to say that I believe in these projects and I believe in the future of money. I mean, don't get me wrong. Money is gonna go contactless eventually, but I invest in crypto for one reason, man: the profit potential. It's crazy. Like crypto, you just make money really. You can man, like crypto's crazy, bro. From, like some of those like Verge coin. Man, I put in 2017, I put 800 on XBG. That 800 turned like $30,000 in like 3 weeks. It went from like 1 cent to like 48 cents. And that's the thing. That's why people invest in those crypto coins. Have you seen? Hey, I just said it. 20% growth in crypto. Yeah, man, I done seen 120% growth in crypto. What? No, man. Yo, all right, let's go to 2017. The XRP, it was like 6 cents, and it went to 19 cents, and it went up to $3.22. All right, I was on it from 6 cents. I went from 6 all the way up to 3.22. Um, shit, Litecoin now. No, matter of fact, BNB coin on Binance. Now, Binance is the world's biggest crypto exchange. BNB is Binance coin. It's the crypto's native coin. I mean, it's the exchange native coin. So if Binance is the world's biggest exchange, it stands the reason that their own native coin is gonna grow. So yeah, so Binance coin, well, I got that at $13. It went up to 28 before the market tumbled back for this COVID-19, but it's back to 22 dollars a coin. It was 13 a coin, now it's 22 a coin. So yeah, trust nothing. I seen plenty of growth in crypto. Won't you send me an inbox, brother, and then you can talk. We can talk more about it. Yeah, that's what I do. But now is the time to get those cryptos because you're gonna see plenty of 20. You're gonna see plenty of growth. Like I said before, you would have just matter of fact, just today alone, XRP went up 15%. So you would have seen just today. Let me check my phone because I'm on my all right. Damn, yeah, see, it's at 5. Yeah, right here. Well, you can't see because the glare. But all right, so Chainlink went up. This is in one day, 13.6%. Maker is at $6.10. Damn, $610. See, XRP, all right, it dropped. It's only 32%. Sorry, 32 cents. Yeah, trust. Yeah, sure. Inbox me. Hey man, I'm on trader life at Gmail, trader 38 at Facebook, trader life at Twitter, trader life at Instagram, man. Just hit me up on any of them and we can continue this conversation, good brother, man. But yeah, so you guys want to watch crypto, bro. That's all I'm trying to say. Ethereum's back at $401. Wow, I remember Ethereum like at $94, man. Like 100, and I didn't even get an Ethereum. I chose Litecoin instead. Litecoin is doing pretty good. It's up at like 664, and it was down to like 39 at one point. So, damn, Ethereum was. I kind of made a mistake here. Ethereum was at $40 a coin. Well, yeah, but right now Bitcoin's at 11,394, which is pretty good. Like everything is red on my green on my phone. Lumen's at 11 cents. Like yeah, man. Now with the time, man, this market is just woof, sky's the limit. But now, like I say, people, so do not be appalled, surprised in the next couple of days if we have a retracement. All right, it's natural. Markets they do retrace back. Okay, it doesn't mean nothing. It's not the end of the world. It's gonna retrace. They just cannot go up consistently. It has to stop, catch a breather, come back, and go back up. So, I'm right now. Bitcoin's at 11.3. It's going on about 10.5, 10.4. Gonna consolidate. It's gonna go back up. But we were looking at XRP. Okay, that's what we're watching. We're watching the altcoins. Like Bitcoin is just it's just what can I say? The pacemaker, the pace setter. That's what it is. It sets the pace. for the rest in the stocks, I like the Dow. It has the America's 30 biggest stocks, so the Dow kind of sets the tone for the stock market. That's how Bitcoin is for crypto. It's the first, it's the biggest, so it sets the tone for the rest of the market. What stock should I start in? Oh man, you guys are killing me. It's so many stocks. Chancellor, why don't you send me an inbox too, brother, man? Or you know what? I have previous podcasts. You guys must be new because I talk about this all the time on my podcast. This is my crypto podcast. But just send me an inbox, good brother, and I send you all my podcasts about stocks. As I told the other guy though, if you're new, you want to stick to like a index because an index you get to diversify. It's just not one stock by itself. It's a diversified portfolio. So if you do like the S&P index, you're actually investing in 500 stocks all at once instead of one single stock. But if you want one single stock, man, you want to look for some COVID-19. Any stock dealing with COVID-19, the brother is making bank, especially vaccination, mask, protective wear, eyewear, nose coverings. Any company like that deals with that, that's what you should if you're a newcomer. Like I say, I just can't tell off the top of my head because I'm a day trader. I really like I trade stocks for the day and throw them in the trash the very next day. Whereas a long-term trader, you put them in his portfolio, it will hold them in there. But again, trader.life, Gmail, trader.life, Twitter, trader.life, Instagram. I couldn't get .life at Facebook. I had to go with my age. Trader.38 at Facebook. Yeah, somehow they got .life. I couldn't take. But yeah, contact me there, man. We can talk. On that note, but yeah, if you're new, you want to invest in crypto too, my friend. So yeah, go to Coinbase. I'm gonna put my link for Coinbase. You go into Coinbase, just take my link. You sign up. Um, shit. On that note, people, you guys have a good night. Sites. I'm sorry. Stash. I'm about to put my link. I'm on join, but yeah, you wanna what you want to do though is just invest, man. Invest in these coins. Get in this ground level where everything's small now. Because right now we at the ground level. Don't wait till we get to the freaking penthouse and want to invest like Bitcoin. Man, Bitcoin went up. Went from 700 to 8. People kept saying it's too much. 800, it's too much. 900, it's too much. It went all the way to $20,000. It went from 700 to 20,000. If you would have called it at 1,000, you would have made a 20 time increase. But it was too much for some people. I don't understand people. That's just don't let XRP be. It's too much. Don't let that be the one that's too much. Right now, it's only 32 cents. Don't let that be the one that's too much. Right now, a lot of people don't know about it. You need to learn about this stuff. There's no reason why. On that note, people, I'm going. Oh, let me put my theme music on. I ain't put my theme music on. Wait for the theme music. Um, yeah, going. All right, but yeah, we gonna make it. But yeah, people, we gonna make it. We gonna get these crypto coins, diversify that portfolio, get that XRP. Go to Coinbase, follow my link. You know, click on that link. You'll watch those videos on Coinbase too. Yeah, let me pause that. You watch those videos, people. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put the video link in there. The videos is free. Like but man, they giving you people money to watch videos. Like they pretty much say just watch this video. We can give you $9 in CMP. They're gonna give you $40 in Orchid. Zcash, they gave me. See, I did it first. I got $250 in Zcash, but it's no longer there. All these free coins, they're just leaving. Like now, what? See, what is? I can see right now. Orchid's done. Can't do that. Yeah, see, all the Orchid has been claimed. Yeah, man. So you got like what? You got CMP. You got KNC, CMP, XTZ, EOS, and XLM. The XTZ, man, they pay you. That's a staking coin. If you get that coin, they pay you to stake it. So like, I just don't understand people. You understand? Um, Copy the link. I'm gonna put the link in this too for this. Anybody? They like this is the link. You click on this link and you watch this little video and you get the free money. Take my link, sign up. You know. Um, and like I say, people, I just don't understand. All right, here we go. Yeah, all right. So that was the XLM link. Like, you just watch the video. The videos are all like 1 minute. They talk for like 1 minute. Be like, then the question's so easy. So people should watch these free videos. Get this. This is free money because you're not paying for it. You just watch the video and they pay you. And they got 5 coins. It was 10 at one point. You know, they was really giving this shit out. I'm sorry, I don't like to curse in my life. Giving the stuff out, but now so many people didn't claim them. They're down to 4 coins. But they just added CMP and KNC, so they moved up. So yeah, people, you guys want to get those free coins, man. Get that free money. It's there for you. You're not doing nothing for it. On that note, man, get out of here. It's Monday night. I'm about to go put money in my portfolio. I'm finna go buy me some more XRP. You know, some XLM and some V chain. On that note, man,